Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another keyboard from Epomaker. This is the RT98 101 keys plus one screen. Basically it has this cool accessory here, they call it mini TV. It's a 1800 layout gasket mount, hot swappable 3-mode mechanical keyboard with a magnetic mini display. Basically that mini TV, you can attach it magnetically and it will work. It will provide system data monitoring in real time as they claim, and this is the box of it. We have some features right here. We already talked about the layout, modular keyboard design, real-time data monitoring, 3-mode connectivity, and gasket mount structure. On the back right here we just have pretty much the same specs and some manufacturer's information. So basically that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're going to put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get, and as always we will start with the small stuff first. So right here we have basically a welcome card. If you scan this QR code you can get the JSON file, manual, screen software, and VIA. So this will help you get up to date with everything. Just scan the QR code, it will send you to the specific address that you need. There we have a quick start guide. It will tell you everything you need to know about the keyboard, how to use it, all the FN keys, how to adjust the brightness, how to change the RGB, how to basically get the keyboard working at its max potential. So make sure you read this. It will help you understand better what the keyboard can do. We have some spare keycaps right here. Option and command. This is for Mac if you want to change the control, Windows, and Alt. That's very clever, they included this. We have 2 spare switches, 2 spare screws, and an Allen key for the keyboard to take it apart if you want to do some tinkering. They also included a switch and a keycap puller. This is pretty basic. Most of the keyboard manufacturers include this one, so you can change your switches, change your keycaps, and customize your keyboard to your desires basically. We have a pretty long braided USB Type A to USB Type C cable. This can be used to either charge the keyboard or use the keyboard in wire mode. You can plug this bit right here into your PC or your laptop, and this bit right here into your keyboard. The keyboard has a USB Type C port, which I will show you in a second. And this is the mini display, the TV as they claim. It will attach magnetically just right here, but obviously we cannot attach it now because the keyboard has a dust cover. Epomaker branded dust cover right here. And this is how the keyboard looks. I really love the design. It's a retro style design. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm all about retro designs. It looks like the old keyboard I had back in 2000. It looks absolutely amazing. Let me just show you guys this TV feature. Basically you just pop it in there and it snaps in. It's magnetic, and those pins right there connect with those pins, and that's how it transmits data. And now the keyboard is a full layout keyboard. You have all the keys that you need. It's missing a volume knob, but obviously you have a TV, so you gotta sacrifice some stuff sometimes. On the back right here we have 4 rubber feet with some standoffs. They have rubber on them as well, so when you place it on the desk it won't go anywhere because they grip pretty well. In terms of connectivity, we have a USB Type-C port, which I told you it can be used to charge the keyboard or use it in wire mode. We have the 2.4 gigahertz dongle right here, which you can take it out basically. Take it out, you plug it into your device, it's ready to go in wireless mode. And we have a switch which has 3 positions. So we have wireless with a 2.4 gigahertz receiver that I just showed you, USB meaning wired, and Bluetooth. I think with Bluetooth you can connect it to more devices and you can press FN plus another key and just quickly switch between those devices, which is really clever. So yeah, pretty much that's it with what we get in the box. I'm gonna go ahead now and put it to the test. We're gonna have it turned on next to our setup so you guys can see how it will look next to our gaming setup. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this is how the keyboard looks like when it's fully set up next to your PC. As you can see, the TV display works. Obviously, you need the software for that to change basically everything you want about it, from date and time to whatever it displays. And obviously, if you don't want to use it, you can just pop it out just like that, and that's it, it's gone. If you want to use it, pop it back in, you will start again, and it's ready to go. So basically, as you can see, the keyboard has this rainbow effect going on. Again, if you refer to the manual, you'll be able to change the effects, the color intensity, the brightness, anything you want. And also I want to mention that the keyboard is super responsive. I connected it with a 2.4 gigahertz dongle, connected right here next to my dock to my PC. And if I press the Windows key, for example, straight away as it's in no delay, which is absolutely great. What I like about the keyboard the most, obviously, it's the TV and the retro look. The switches are super silent. I wanted to show you guys how it sounds like, but you cannot hear anything. Let me just give you an example. There you go. There's nothing, but you can customize the switches to whatever you want. Clicky switches, linear switches, tactile switches, whatever you like. So basically pretty much that's it with the keyboard. It's an absolutely amazing keyboard. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. You can also check out Epomaker's website. They do some pretty cool stuff, a lot of keyboards, a lot of other accessories, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.